Welcome to Stewart Manufacturing. Here we care about your safety. This video was created to help provide safety for visitors at all times. Please keep the following safety guidelines in mind during your visit today. All visitors must enter through the front of the building. Upon arrival, you will be required to sign in on the visitor's log located at the front desk. After signing in, you will be required to wear a visitor's vest and pass that is mandatory at all times during your time with us. If you are meeting with a company representative, please wait in the front lobby until your host greets you. Before entering the shop floor, you will receive proper safety equipment. Eyewear is mandatory at all times, and earplugs will be mandatory in designated high noise areas. You will be notified by your host when the hearing protection must be used. Safety tows are not required for visitors. If you have any questions throughout your visit, please report to your host at any time. Unless told otherwise, remain in the walkway which is between the yellow lines. Do not wander elsewhere without consent from your host. Pay attention to safety signs as you walk through our plant. Watch out for forklift trucks and other heavy machinery. Do not walk or stand under suspended objects. Do not touch products, equipment, or product waste coming out of production. Smoking and photography is prohibited on the shop floor. In case of an emergency, stay with your host. They will guide you to the nearest exit, storm shelter, or evacuation meeting point. Again, please be aware of emergency and evacuation signs if you're separated from your host. Upon departure, please return your visitor's pass, vest, and eyewear to the front desk. It is also important to sign out on the visitor's log where you previously signed in. Thank you for visiting Stewart Manufacturing. We hope you have an enjoyable and safe visit.